Hello everybody, my name is Sehas. Today I am going to make a small little solar panel powered car. Okay, so let's take all of my supplies. My supplies over here. Solar panel, the battery pack, the car base, the zip ties, and all the pieces of the batteries, energizer, recharge, famous brand. Let's take these little packets having a big pause. On pause. Okay, it's not really the pause button, but we're just doing something fun around here. So let's stop that silly nonsense and let's get to it. Okay, it comes with a pre-made assembled piece. And so this made processes to, assemble the circuit. Now you know you also might have assembled circuits before. And I'm not going to worry about that. I'm an expert. I think so. Okay, so now I got the tape. So as usual, just take some. Okay, that's okay. That's there. Gets easily directed with the sun, as my solar panels are basically blue. I don't know, but it doesn't matter. And to see the solar panels is actually basically blue, as I see it. And the panels across here are actually like seriously good. I forgot the battery pack. Stick in the oh yeah. The pause button. The pause button. The pause button. Pause. Okay, pause my shadow, so now it's unpress my shadow. Oh, there we go. As no time for pausing and let's just get this thing. You're back. Wait. Why am I even saying bye? It's down at the end. Seriously? Whatever. Okay, now I got the scissor, like medical scissors. By the way, just take this big old chair and this roller chair. Sit down and finish my own Sehas card. Just kidding. It's not the Sehas card. And yeah, if you wanna check more videos on my channel, please hit the subscribe button right here and give us a big thumbs up to our channel. And don't forget to subscribe. Oh yeah, I forgot to say. And we need to get to 2,000 million, 30 gazillion. Yeah, I'm just kidding. And I need at least 60 or 100 subscribers. So press the subscribe button. Gazillion, million, 200 years later, million times. So we get a lot of subscribers. Bye.